If you are trying to repair or restore Duolingo streak, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, launch a Duolingo application. As you do that, make sure that you are logged into your account. You have to tap on this streaks icon. In my case, it has 0. Now you have to tap onto the specific date where you have lost the streaks. Let's say you lost the streaks on May of 9th. Now let's go ahead and launch our settings. Before doing so, make sure that you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. As you do so, scroll below, then select time or date. Tap on date and time and then date and time again. And make sure that you untoggle automatic date and time, then tap on set date. Now, if you lost your Duolingo streaks on 9th of May, tap onto it, tap on done here, and time doesn't really matter. So again, relaunch your Duolingo. Now you can go ahead, use this Duolingo in offline mode, and the progress will be saved locally. And make sure that you pass that lesson. Once done, launch your settings, and then tap on this button that says automatic date and time. And likewise, hopefully this will restore your Duolingo streaks when you're online. Also be noted, this might or might not work depending upon your device and how long your streaks was. So thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.